Hi friends, let us look at this question here. In the figure below, P, Q, R and S are points on a circle with a center O, P, R, T on this side line. Then you're told that USTV, it is a tangent. It means that a line that is passing through the center to this point is 90 degrees. So RST is 50, you can see that, RST, then STV. So if this is a tangent, first of all, if this line, a point is a tangent, if here it is 50, automatically here becomes 40. So this side also becomes 40, therefore giving here to be 80, because 40, 80, so we have here 100 degrees. And we know a property of circle constant tangent, that this angle here is supposed to be a half of the one that's subtend at the center. Therefore here we have 50. Then let us look at another possible angle here. It is 150, so to get here, just subtract 150 angles on a straight line. I'll be having 30. Since that the one here is a triangle, 30 plus 50, that is 80, making here also to be 100 degrees. 100 plus 40, this is also a straight line, that is 140. Therefore this angle here, it is 40 degrees. Yeah. Then we can proceed and look at another side, because we have another small triangle here, 50, 40, 40, 40. We can get this small angle here because they should be adding up to 180. So I'll take 180, I subtract 50, it is 50, I subtract this 40, 40, 40, that's 120. Therefore the small angle here, it is 10. You can see it is 10 degrees. I'm just trying to find all the angles possible. Then we know that the angle here, the angle that subtend here, if I subtract 180, I'm supposed to be getting the one that is here. So therefore this angle is 130. Because they are equal, I'll say 180 minus 130, then I divide my answer by 2, which is 25. So here we have 25, there 25. Then because here we have a straight line, 50, 40, 10, that is 90 plus 1, which is 100. Therefore the angle outside here, it is 80 degrees. So if you look at the question, you're just told to calculate the size, no giving out of reason. That's why I was calculating only the sides, the angles first, so that we can find the answer. Therefore I'll say that QRS, that is QRS, this angle is obtained from this point to this point, it is 25 plus 40 plus 40. Therefore we will have 105 degrees. But if they would have asked ORS, ORS is when you will say 40 degrees, but they want the whole angle there. So that is how we solve that question. We go to the next one, which they are asking you to find the angle USP, the middle angle U. Look at our diagram, USP, the angle outside here. So that one, just write 80 degrees, it's 1 mark. Then the next one, they're asking you PQR, PQR, the angle here, so that is 130 degrees. Then we go to the next part of the question. You're asked that given that QR, so QR, it is 7 degrees here. I can just extract the diagram, the part that they want, because now they are going to test on the tangent. They are testing now something a little bit on tangent. The circle is passing through that point like that. So we have here P, R, then we have S here and point T. So they are saying that RT, the angle, the line there, it is 7. Then ST, it is 9. They want you to find PR. So we look at the second principle used in circle constant tangent, where they say that if this one is touching on a tangent, then TS squared should be equal to TR times TP. Let us take that the point PR is X. Therefore we will say 9 squared is equals to TR, which is 7. I multiply by TP, which is 7 plus X. So 7 plus X. So there I'll be having 81 is equals to 49 plus 7X. So we will say 81, I subtract 49, there I'll be having 32 is equals to 7X. Therefore the value of X will be 32 all over 7. They're asking us to give our answer into 3 significant figures. So what I can see on the calculator, the significant figures are 4, 5, and 7. So I'll just write my answer as 4.57 centimeter. Then they're asking you to find the radius of the circle. So to find radius of a circle, I go back to my diagram, and because now I have the line PR, I'll just extract that figure running away from PRS. So we have PRS, the side PR I have 4.57. Then the angle S here will be 40 plus 1, which is 50. The angle R, it is 40 plus 40, which is 80. And the angle P, we have 50. So to find a radius, if you have such a kind of point, to find radius, we will say that radius will be the opposite angle, let me mark it with that, over 2 sine theta of the angle. So if this is the side that I have, I'm going to take 2 sine of this, or you can say 2r is equals to the opposite over sine theta. So the radius therefore is going to be 4.57 divided by 2 sine 50. So my answer, what I had, divide by 2 times sine 50. So I get that the radius, remember the instruction there was to give answer into 3 significant figures, will be 2.98 centimeters. So that is how that question is supposed to be solved under circle, chords, and tangent.